In the summer, we are always thinking about delicious ice cream. So in today's video, we will see how ice cream is made in the factory. The ice cream making process starts with adding sugar to pasteurized milk. Now, the pasteurized milk is sent to the aging tank. Here in the aging tank, the milk gets thick and cold at 4 degrees centigrade. After that, the milk is poured into a huge container with the desired flavour. Now the thick paste is added, mixed well and sent to the freezing machine to make ice cream. Here, the wheat cone is placed in a paper cone and it is sent to the automatic ice cream filling machine. Now, chocolate is sprayed in the cone and it is filled with ice cream. After that, a cap is placed on the cone and they are sealed by machine and packed into boxes. Also, ice cream cups are filled by the automatic ice cream filling machine as well. And here, the ice cream cups are ready and packed into boxes. Now it is time to make Choco Bar candy. In this process, the milk mixture is poured into the ice cream mould. After that, sticks are put into the ice cream in the mould. Here, the mould is placed in cold, salted water to get the ice cream to freeze fast. Now, the frozen candy mould is dipped in fresh water and this releases the ice cream. Then it is placed into the freezer. After that, the candy is dipped in the chocolate coating and placed in the freezer. Here they are ready and all the candies are placed in crates. Now the candy is placed on the conveyor and sent for packaging. The packed ice cream is placed back in the freezer. Finally, the packed boxes are sent to the truck and they are ready to deliver.